Alright, welcome to our class once again. Today we'll be looking at this question. Say, 5 years ago, a father was 4 times as old as his son. In 5 years' time, the father will be twice as old as his son. If X and Y are the present age, that's ages of the father and the son, respectively, the equation relating X and Y are, these are the options given: A, 4y minus s equal to 0 and x minus 2y equals to 0. B, 4y minus s equals to 15 and s minus 2y equals to 5. C, 4y minus s equals to 25 and x minus 2y equals to 5. D, x minus 4y equals to 15 and y minus 2x equals to 5. Now let's see how we are going to solve it. Solution. Now solution. So from this question from this question, we are made to know the present age of father and son. Like if x and y represent the present age of father and son, I will to begin from their present age. So I will know what we are going to do. Father age, let's say f for father, f equals to x for present age, that's present age of both of the present age of both of them. F equals to x, comma, and y equals to and s, which is for son, s equals to y. Now this is the age of the father, x, and the age of the son is y. Now 5 years ago, as we were told, like 5 years ago, what would be the age of the father? If so, 5 years ago, 5 years ago, now that's f equals to x minus 5 and s, that's for man, s equals to that for son, y minus 5. Now in 5 years, let's say in 5 years time, that's in 5 years to come, 5 years to come, 5 years to come, 5 years to come. Now this is equation for 5 years ago. This is equation for the present age. Why this equation for 5 years ago? This for 5 years to come, that's father will be what? Father equals to x plus 5. S plus 5. And son equals s equals to y plus 5. This is the equation for 5 years to come. Now with these three equations, now we can definitely go. Now say 5 years ago, a father was 4 times as old as his son. From the information given, and 5 years ago, this is a father age 5 years ago. Can I say x minus 5 equals to, what's the age of the son? The age of the son is y minus 5. But we are made to know that the father was 4 times as old as the son. That's 5 years ago. We cannot say you can multiply the age of son by 4 to this now. You cannot say y minus 5. This is a equation for their age 5 years ago. What we are now going to see that x minus 5 equals to 4y minus 20. What we now get? If you collect like time, you cannot just do that 4y minus x equals to minus 5 plus 20. Now you collect like time. This one will go here, while this one also go here. Now you collect like time. Then 4y minus x equals to 15. This is the equation for their age. That's for 5 years ago. Now, in 5 years' time, the father will be twice as old as his son. This is the equation for 5 years' time. The age of father is what? In 5 years' time. So 5 years' time, 5 years' time. 5 years, and I'm gonna see that father is what? X plus 5. Why son is what? You see? And I mean that father will be twice as old as son. This is the age of the son. Now say 2 times the age of the son. Y plus 5. What do you now get? X plus 5 equals to 2y plus 10. If you collect like time, what do you now get? X minus 2y equals to 10 minus 5. So x minus 2y equals to 5. So 5 years, the equation for 5 years, this 5 years ago, 5 years ago. The equation for 5 years ago, 5 years ago. This is 5 years time. So now the equation relating both of them is this: 4y minus x equals to 15, and then x minus 2y equals to 5. These are final answer. Which option is this? Option B. Yes, option B is the correct answer. If you find this video helpful, please kindly like, follow, and subscribe. Thank you.